100% polyester. Imported. Throw, 60H x50W. Fabric content, 100% polyester. Machine wash cold in a laundry mesh bag, with similar colors, gentle cycle. Use only non-chlorine bleach when needed. Tumble dry low, light iron if needed. Fill content, 100% polyester. Reversible bedding. Introducing the Belle of the Ball. Belle is both easy on the eyes with her stylish ruffles that emanate playfulness and feminine beauty, and smooth to the touch, leaving you feeling both elegant and comfortable at the same time. Top reviews from the United States. Seems more for decoration than for practical use. I found this sweet little throw blanket used but I am perfect condition and at a reduced price. I have been looking at this on other sites at full price, waiting for a sale. I am glad that I waited. I wouldn't have been okay with paying full price. Although this is a beautiful little item, it is more for show than any practical use. I can't see this blanket keeping anyone warm. It is lightweight and ruffled but not practical for actual use. Thin, lightweight, ruffled fabric.